Hey guys, here's Thai Cakes again with another video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to achieve a perfect classic caramel with few ingredients and no butter. Before we get into that, let's subscribe, comment, like and share this video. Thank you very much. Guys, we're going to start with the ingredients, and as listed before: salt, sugar, heavy cream and water. Light your fire, take sugar, salt and water, put them in the pan on the fire and stir to avoid crystallization. Let it cook until everything is dissolved, as you see, and have a beautiful color. Then add your heavy cream. Don't be surprised about the chunk of sugar you see. If you mix it well and fast, then it will quickly dissolve. Continue mixing and mixing until you can no longer see the chunk. And after everything has been dissolved, as you can see, it will boil really fast. And then at this point, you'll have to decide how thick you want your caramel to be, the color you want it to acquire, because it's done. As for me, I wanted it thick because I wanted to fill it in my cupcakes. See the results. I love this, and the people who got the cupcakes were really amazed. It's a simple recipe, easy to make, few ingredients. Thank you guys for taking your time to watch the video till the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you'd like me to do something special. Thank you. Bye.